10 days of easy Asian recipes. Asian fusion seafood boil.
Hey, what's up guys? Let's make our sauce. Go ahead and grab a small bowl for you to mix all your seasoning in.
2 tablespoons of Cajun Seasoning. 3 tablespoons of Paprika. 2 tablespoons of whole baked seasoning. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Next, on high heat, bring a pot of water to a boil, followed by adding your choice of seafood. Today, I went ahead and add a little bit of everything. Next, add in sliced lemon or oranges, followed by your unsalted butter. Next, add in your seafood boil bag. They come in tea bag as well. You can use this brand or whatever brand. Next, add in your pineapple juice. I use half of the carton, but if you like it more sweeter, go ahead and add the whole thing. Skim out the scum as you go. Once cooked, drain and run it over cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, let's make our sauce. On high heat, add your unsalted butter to pan, followed by minced garlic, kaffir lime leaves, minced lemongrass, fish sauce. Then goes in your seasoning. Give it a stir and combine well. Turn off the heat. Just like that, we are done, guys. Look at that sauce. Wow. Now you can pour the sauce inside a pot and give it a shake to combine everything in, or you can put it in a little bowl and use it as a dipping sauce. Does that look fire or what? Bussin'. You guys, if this is your first time on my show, please support me by hitting that subscribe button. Follow for more.
Draco, soldier. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap.
Now from the